In this video, I'd like to demonstrate to you the toy train Mono Madness. With Mono Madness, kids can learn about essential infrastructure in the world. And this is done by building this modular train track, which this mono train can ride on. Besides the regular train tracks, we have added specialized train tracks. One which can force the train to stop, and one which is a station where the train charges. Depending on the weight that you put on the train will go slower. Now, because we like to build a track where the train can get all the way around, kids have to make sure that the train can make it all the way back to a charging point before it runs out of power. And because the speed is tied to the weight on the back, they need to adjust for both the length of the track, what you put on the train, and how quickly it loses its power. Now this teaches kids about the limited resources in everyday infrastructure. The underside of the train contains an atmaker controlling everything, a battery, a step-up, and a battery management system. Very small gears transfer the energy from the servo motor down to the wheels on the tracks. The train consists of 66 individually designed and 3D printed parts. This project is something that I've been very fond of, so thank you for watching, see you next time.